Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking. I'm David.
Hi, David. Hi, friends. I'm Olivia.
Today, we have a very interesting topic for you.
Yes, I'm excited to... what was that? It's so dark.
I think the power is out. It's a power outage.
Power outage? Oh, no.
Yes, power outage.
Really? Oh, this is perfect timing. But what do we do now?
Don't worry. Today, we will learn all the important words and what to do during a power outage.
Perfect. We need this.
Exactly. When the lights go out, you need to know what to say and what to do.
Yes, and dear friends, even though it's dark right now, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click that subscribe button and like this video.
Thank you. Now, David, guide us through this darkness.
Let's do it. Okay, Olivia, it's dark. First, don't panic. Let's think.
But I can't see anything. Where's my phone?
Yes, it's dark because there is no electricity. But we have solutions.
Dark. No electricity. Okay.
First, we need a light source. Do you have a flashlight or a candle?
Flashlight? Yes, I have a flashlight in the kitchen.
Great. Go get the flashlight.
Found it. And here's a candle, too. And matches.
Perfect. So, we have a flashlight and a candle, and matches to light the candle.
Matches. Light the candle. Now I see a little.
Excellent. The candle gives dim light. The flashlight can light up the room.
Dim light. Light up. Good words.
Yes. Now, everyone, let me explain. Flashlight is a portable light, usually with batteries.
And candle is the traditional light with fire.
Exactly. And we use matches or a lighter to start the candle.
Lighter. Yes, I have a lighter too.
Perfect. Now, let's practice. What do you look for first during a power outage?
I look for my phone for the flashlight.
Good. Many phones have a flashlight function.
Yes, and if no phone, I look for a candle and matches.
Perfect. You're learning fast, even in the dark.
David, we have our lights. What else should we do?
Good question. First, unplug your computer and TV. This protects them when the power comes back.
Unplug electronics. Got it. Why?
When the power comes back, sometimes there's a power surge. It can damage electronics.
Oh, power surge. That's dangerous.
Yes, so unplug is important. And always stay calm. No panic.
Stay calm. Okay, I'm calm.
Good. Now, about food. Don't open the fridge or freezer too much. Keep the food cold.
Don't open the fridge? Why?
Because the cold air escapes. The food might go bad.
Oh, I understand. Keep the door closed.
Exactly. Now, you can also check on your neighbors. Maybe they need help.
check on neighbors. That's a good idea. Be a good neighbor.
Yes, especially elderly neighbors or people who live alone.
Very thoughtful.
Now, you can also call the electricity company to ask about the power outage.
Call the electricity company. What do I ask?
You can ask, when will the power come back on?
When will the power come back on? Very useful.
Yes, sometimes they can tell you. Sometimes you just have to wait.
Wait, I don't like waiting, but okay.
Waiting is part of a power outage, but we can make it fun.
How?
We'll talk about that in the next part.
Okay, let's practice. What do you do for the fridge during a power outage? Do you call the electricity company?
I don't open the fridge. And yes, I call the electricity company.
David, while we wait, what do we do? My phone's battery will die.
Good point. When your phone's battery dies, it's okay. This is a good time to read a book.
Read a book by candlelight.
Exactly. Or play board games with your family.
Board games like chess, Monopoly, cards.
Yes. You can also just talk with family or friends.
Talk with family. That sounds nice and cozy.
Cozy. Remember that word from our autumn episode?
Yes, a power outage can be cozy too.
Exactly. Candlelight, a good book, family time, very cozy.
I like this. My phone's battery dies. Okay, I will talk with my family.
Perfect attitude. You can also tell stories, sing songs, or just relax.
Tell stories. Sing songs, like old times.
Exactly. Sometimes a power outage reminds us of simple pleasures.
That's beautiful, David.
Oh, wait. Do you hear that?
What? Oh, the power is back on. The lights are on.
Yay! The power is back. I see everything.
Finally. But you know what? That wasn't so bad.
Exactly. Now you know what to do during a power outage.
Yes. Let's review what we learned.
Great idea. So, we learned power outage, when the electricity stops.
Dark. No light and no electricity.
Flashlight, portable light. And candle, traditional light with fire.
Matches or a lighter to light the candle.
Unplug, remove the plug from electronics.
Stay calm. Don't panic.
Don't open the fridge. Keep the food cold.
Call the electricity company to get information.
Wait. Be patient.
Battery dies when the phone stops working.
And the power is back on. Electricity returns.
Perfect settery.
Now, everyone, we have homework for you.
What do you do during a power outage?
Write in the comments. In English.
For example, I light a candle and read a book.
Or, I call the electricity company and wait.
We want to hear your stories.
And please, subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. Now that the lights are back on, you can see it.
And like this video.
Thank you for being with us during this dark but educational episode.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone. I hope your power always stays on.
Bye-bye.